The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Knox County, west central Daviess County, until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Russellville, or near Vincennes, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Washington, Bicknell, Bruceville, and Montgomery. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Daviess and Knox. And now a look at your forecast for the Vincennes area.